Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Remove your front cab mount bolt and bushings and lift your truck's cab. Remove the factory front cab mount and any obstructions in the work area. Step 3. Grind the work area down to bare metal, removing any rust or debris. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent against rust development. Step 4. Using the original cab mount silhouette as a guide, hold your new cab mount up to the frame. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Lower your cab and reinstall the bolt and bushing. Now, get back out on the road.